Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And today, ito tayo sa Riyadh Airport. Magkasama tayo going to Alcobar City. So nag-check-in ako, andito ako sa waiting area. And magbabas kami going to the airplane. So andito ako sa gate 542. So my airlines is Flynas. So yeah, I'll update you guys later. So nag-check-in ko yung isa kong luggage kasi hindi ako nabigyan ng luggage allowance ng aming HR, so I pay for it. So ang dala ko ngayon is one small bag. And of course my very cute bag. And that's ready for boarding.
No, hindi yata. I am living Bahrain.
Of this flight, Amir on behalf of the captain, Tars and the first officer Abdullah and the rest of the crew, we would like to welcome you and the Witness Mind Prime members guest support flight as flight number XY070 to King Fahd International Airport, Dammam City. Our flying time is 50 minutes with a cruising altitude of 23,000 feet. Our crew serving you today's flight are Amira and Iman Nora. Thank you for choosing Flynas and I wish you a pleasant flight.
Smoking on board or tampering with the smoke detectors is prohibited by the Saudi law. Mobile phones, wireless devices, remote control toys, electronic games, and radios must be switched off throughout the flight as they may interfere with the aircraft navigation.
So I'll see you Alcobar in 1 hour. So yeah, I'll update you guys later.
وسوء المنقلب
So
في
guys,
المال والأهل
mag-take off na
وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.
Medyo mainit actually sa Riyadh, but it's not like before. It's a bit windy. It's way better than last year, I believe. So I don't know kung anong weather sa Alcobar. Let's see. And I am sure it's humid. So let's see. Mamaya ano yung weather doon. And we will go there not to enjoy, not to have some fun. We're gonna go there for work, you know. So I was in Kubar for 3 weeks, I believe, last one. But normally I need to visit them like 2 or 3 times in a month to conduct some trainings over there. But this past few weeks I was so busy, I don't have time to visit them there. Reason why before end of this month I decided to visit them to see the operation, how it goes, you know. So we're about to take off and I'll update you guys later. So in a few minutes we're about to touch down or Dammam Airport. So just like maybe 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes maximum. So we're about to land to Dammam Airport.
الله على سلامة الوصول، وأهلا ومرحبا بكم في مطار الملك فهد الدولي بمدينة الدمام، حيث التوقيت المحلي يشير إلى الساعة 11 و57 دقيقة صباحا، ودرجة الحرارة الخارجية هي 37 درجة مئوية. من أجل سلامتكم وراحتكم الرجاء منكم البقاء في مقاعدكم وإبقاء أحزمة المقاعد مربوطة حتى تقف الطائرة تماما وتطفأ إشارة ربط حزام الأمان. إن التدخين غير مسموح به حتى وصولكم للأماكن المخصصة للتدخين داخل مبنى المطار. بإمكانكم الآن تشغيل هواتف النقل.
Welcome. Yes, we're here in Dammam Airport. Tayo sa baggage claim area, para makuha yung aking bagay. So it's a bit hot. Actually, it's a bit hot. It's super hot. As always, very convenient yung aking airlines. Yung seats ko super nice, and yes, sa baggage claim tayo, right? So it's ready. 12:10 tayo nakalabas ng eroplano. So siguro kakain muna ako bago ako pumunta ng work. Medyo magulo yung buhok ko, okay lang ba? Kahanap tayo ng makakain. Super gutom na ako. Ayos ko lang yung buhok ko. Mukha na yata ako. Ibang arte ko. Baggage claim area. Claim. After ko makuha yung aking bagahe, kakain muna ako dahil super gutom na ako. Wala akong maayos na tulog at wala rin akong maayos na kain. So kain muna tayo maya maya. Baggage claim. Maraming athlete dito sa airport. Siguro merong competition dito sa Cobar because nakita ko sila Kanina pa sa Riyadh. Sila rin yung mga nakita ko doon. So, let's wait for my luggage. Okay, so let's... Hello, so just arrived here in Dammam Airport. So I'm very hungry. So what I need to do is to eat. So I ordered food from Al-Bayt. Al-Bayt is a local brand. It's from Saudi Arabia. The famous fast food chain here in Saudi. So I ordered chicken nuggets, of course, and thanks God it's not that crowded today. Chicken nuggets, of course. There's a coleslaw and one water. So let's eat. My friend, can I have tissue? Thank you. Sit beside me, that's fine. You can sit here, it's okay. Thank you. But the chicken is so good. You can sit here if you want. No, I know. Iba yung taste niya because hindi siya yung garlic sauce na lagi kong in-order. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Mayo maybe. So meron siyang 3 types of sauce like ketchup, garlic mayo, and mayonnaise. But mayonnaise is the best. I mean garlic mayo. You're welcome. So kanina wala siyang maupuan. So as part of being kind, in-offer ko yung table ko so para makakain. Kung nakakuha naman siya ng bagong seat, so it's okay. The good thing is, hindi pa siya ganun kamahal by the way. Very affordable. Pero nakalimutan ko na yung price. Sorry, no? Super nice. Very nice. Guys, Talbek, you're the best. Thank you very much, guys. I'll update you guys later. So guys, tapos na ako kumain. Solve. Thank you very much, Albaik. You're the best. Chicken nuggets, super yummy. It's not expensive. And yeah. Thank you, Albaik. Thank you very much. We're going to look for Uber going to my office. Thank you, guys. I'll update you later. Yeah, I'm very full, so I'm here in toilet para mag-retouch. And I'll update you guys later.